and girls, all three of you that watch, thank you for watching. We are on the way to Christian's house, and we're installing the brand new, just released for pre-orders, the PRL Intercooler Pipe Kit. So we're going to be able to see what it looks like. We'll go through the install for you guys. That way you can do it at home too. We're going to do it at his house, so it should be pretty easy. We're going to have to take off a bumper, take off a battery tray probably. All right, let's get to it, guys. I'll always take some to the side. Oh shit, you actually have Pacificos. My favorite Mexican beer. There it is. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the intake. And then you're going to take off your box. Depending on which box you have, this is kind of like the stock one. It's a 10 mil bolt there, and then it's a 10 mil bolt over there too. I'm going to take off the bumper. So we're going to do all these here. And this one as well. This little corner one. Alright, so that one's out. Let's get this sucker out. Put these over here. Let's start making a little pile over here of parts. So the next one we're going to do is take out the battery. And it's just a deep 10 mil for your battery bracket to tie down. Deep.
We just do like this,
and then 10. Just put it to the side. There you go. Type it like that. There you go.
This bitch is heavy.
Oh yeah, it is.
One day.
Put the tray out. Yeah, we're gonna have to take the battery bracket out just to do it right. So these are 12s or 13s, I think. Put those up there so we don't lose them. Wells. Yep, now you can use that gun. I'm gonna get that one out. Yeah, you can just do it real quick. And then these two over here. Have we tried to put bubbles to it?
Espero que el putazo.
Alright, then we have this one right there. We gotta take out, it's another 12. So now we're gonna pull out the bracket. There it is. Put it to the side. And now you'll have all this room to be able to take your stock intercooler pipe and get to the throttle body part. We're gonna unplug all the sensors. So that's the map sensor. It's one of them. So that one's off, or disconnected, I guess. We'll leave them on until we take off the intercooler pipe, and then we have to undo it from this bracket. That's a 12, and then that's a 12 as well. So we have to release it from this bracket. That's a support bracket, and then this is your IAT2 sensor. Fucking mouthful. Let's take off the breather hose. This goes through your valve, evap hose. Yeah. Bro, I got everything in this.
Just fucking stuck in there.
Those are 8 mils in the stock clamps.
Can't reach this bitch over here.
It's already loose. You're good. This one's already loose.
So we have to take this one out?
Yeah, we do. But it's easier when we take this out first, so we can get our hands up.
Voy a hacerlo de acá.
¿Dónde sale? There we go. And then 8 mil here. You're gonna need the extension for sure.
Here we go.
Okay. There we go.
My van was overheating right now. Like the bathroom.
That's your IAT2. This is the one that really controls the timing of the car and the tune. Whether it's stock or whether it's tuned. It bases how much timing it's going to throw at it based on that sensor right there, because it's the closest to the throttle body. And that right there is a map sensor that measures how much pressure is going to the throttle body. It's one of the two. And this is where your 4-bar map sensor would go if you're going to 4-bar maps. These are stock. And that's it. Let's throw the throttle body one in. The throttle body coupler. This one. Okay. Throttle body coupler. And this one will go like this. Let me loosen it pretty good so that it goes over the lip on the throttle body.
There we go.
Good?
Yeah.
You have a good spot to tighten it from?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's all over in?
Mm-hmm.
What she said? Want to cover yourself already?
Yeah.
Too fucking soon, dude. Right, slide it in. You can spit on it if you want. And you can tighten that. We're not going to remove it, obviously, so should be good there. Don't plug any of the sensors in yet. Don't tighten the bracket onto the pipe yet. We're going to put the other pipes on first. You're going to have to turn the wheel outside on each side so you can get these screws out. So you're going to get that out, this one out, that one out. So get that one and you're loose. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now you're loose here. You're loose here, okay? And he's doing the other side. And now we're gonna have to go underneath the car and get all the clips off so we can pull off the bumper. All these here, this whole line, whatever it attaches to the car. So we got this last one over here. That's pretty freaking loose, right?
Yeah.
So we want to slowly and gently pop it out of these 3 tabs, and then keep working your way around it. And there she goes.
You want to take out the...
Oh, and we have to unplug the fog lights right here. Bumper is off now, and then we can see the intercooler. Obviously we have the PRL intercooler already in there, so we just have to replace these hoses. So we're going to start taking these off, and then on this side
There we go.
oh, there we go. Sweet. Okay, so now it's loose. Yeah, she's good. It's a big black hose. Oh, I don't see anything over here.
It's over here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Alright, so there's another screw right there. It's a 10 as well. You can't get in there, huh? Can you? Nope. You're gonna have to do it with the actual ratchet. And pull it this way, so you can get in there. Do you need a little extension, or can you even fit one in there?
Oh,
there you go. Sweet. Sweet. So that's a cold side. So as you can see, we did the resonator delete on this one. So this one's gonna go on the intercooler itself. You'll see it by, it says cold side 1. So this one's gonna go with the actual intercooler on the cold side, just like moi, or this side actually. Está abajo. Alright, so this one is the largest aluminum pipe. It has all the brackets like the factory one does. So you have to use those. You have to switch over the little rubber boots and the little aluminum piece that goes in the middle. And then this is your methanol bung plug. So you're gonna leave it on unless you're actually using methanol. That's where your methanol nozzle would go. So put this fucker in, feed it up there. Your fucking cooler.
It's a Bram.
Some Brahma boots.
Brahma cooler.
Alright, bro. So got that thing lined up. We started these bolts for the bracket, so it kind of spaces it where it needs to be. It's pushed in all the way it needs to go on both ends in the throttle body. So that's what it should look like. And then we need to put a clamp here and then connect the actual pipe to it, and then tighten down this pipe. So now we're going to line up that aluminum pipe to the PRL hose. And you want to put the clamps there before you put them in. No, you don't have to do more work than you have to. And you want to push it all the way in. Tighten that sucker back down. By the engine side, we're gonna get the hot side. It's called hot side because it's the hot air from the turbo. So these, you just pop off like that. You go to the left, quarter of a turn. It's not coming out for some reason. There we go. So we take that off, and now we have access to the hot side pipe. And then we have an 8mm right there. And an 8mm here. So for that one, we should be able to access it through this little hole right there. Alright, that's pretty loose. Right there. Hose off. There we go. Save your hose clamps. And then, there we go. There it is, boys. That's tight. And that's tight. Got everything lined up. Now we're going to tighten everything. So tighten all the brackets back on, and then start tightening all the hose clamps. Make sure everything's pushed in all the way. You can see the little lip there. You see the lip here? Make sure it's all the way pushed into the pipe on all of them, because that's the step on the silicone hoses that makes it all flow nice and neat.
That's good enough?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. When you raise a little lip like that, it's perfect. And then go over it with the gun, with the ratchet, the manual ratchet. Make sure it's not over tight, because you can break the hose clamps. That's how it should look.
That's good.
And then this one over here. I don't know if you can see it. Right in there. Something like that.
That's good enough.
Now to plug in all the sensors and make sure everything's tight and put the car back together. Yeah, for sure, dude. Because, you know, you could hear the blow-up valve before, but now you can hear, like, the turbo actually sucking.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, boys and girls, that'll do it for this video. I do want to make a quick note, pretty important. The kit that we installed today on Christian's car is not a real production kit. Well, it is a production kit. The only difference is it's not powder coated like the kits will be when they start arriving to your house. The kits will be powder coated where the aluminum pipes are raw in this kit. So just so you know, everything will be black. It's a powder coated finish, so pretty durable, and it'll look pretty nice. So yeah, that's it. I want to drop a link on the description of the video. That way you can go directly to PRL's website and you can order your own charge pipe upgrade kit. And that'll do it for now. I got a few things in the works, so stay tuned, subscribe, like this video please. If you use this video at all, even if you watch 30 seconds, I appreciate you hitting that like button. If you didn't like it, let me know what I can do to improve. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.